You searched how to buy shares of CM.Com.NV. CM.com is a Dutch cloud software company offering messaging, payments, and voice services. It trades on Euronext under the ticker CMCOM.NV. And this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker CMCOM.NV to find the listing. Select the result that matches CM.Com.NV on Euronext to open its asset page. On the asset page, check the company description and the recent price chart to confirm it's CM.Com.NV. Make sure the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker CMCOM.NV before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.